Here is how to loop the playback after setting in and out points in both the source and the program windows of Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2024. In the source monitor of Adobe Premiere Pro, to set an in point, I can click on the left curly brace or tap the letter I. To set an out point, I can click on the right curly brace or tap the letter O. Down in the program monitor, I can drag the CTI forward. The same thing, I'll just tap the letter I to add an in point, I'll tap the letter O to add an out point. To loop the playback so it only plays between the in and out points, all I have to do is click on the wrench icon below the source window and check loop. Now when I play back, you're going to see it's only going to play back between the in and out points and loop over and over again. The same if I go down to the program window, I can just click the wrench icon and make sure that loop is checked. And my name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.